Good morning from Brazil. Morning sunrise. It's already rose. But just a quick share. It's very beautiful. And a quick song. It's going to be a busy, busy weekend of a lot of work. And I hope you guys have a safe weekend on your travels, no matter what you do, whether you're working, having fun, doing for your family, or doing for others. And don't forget others, those who don't have. People will be left alone who may not be able to get out or get to food. Think of everyone this weekend. Make it about everyone else. We need that in this world at this time. Caring for others. Thank you, everyone, for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful 5-minute song and a little beauty in the sky. Not just that, it shows everything you need to see. Yeah. Fascinating, isn't it? God bless you all. Remember, family, friends, people out there who may need, there's plenty of them. I know there are. I see them all the time. So, make it all about everyone else. Pick some holiday that just isn't for you. You know, that you just give away. And you do the most you can do. It's like you fill your wheelbarrow up with as much as you can that anyone might need, and you start pushing it through the neighborhood. You know what I mean? I mean, not literally, unless you feel like it. But anyways, just a little humor. Be kind to each other. Be kind to all. I love you all. Don't forget to pray for everyone. Give glory to God 24/7. And you'll be blessed. I just know it. The times we're in right now, we really need to buckle down. You know, talk to the Creator. The Creator. Yep. The power. All right. Bye. Blessings. Oh, wait. My North Carolina bye. Bye. That's my North Carolina goodbye. And here's my Detroit. See you around. See you on the flip side. Bye.